That's my girl. That's my girl.
No. And the lovin's in Sir. She's loving on you. Oh my gosh, she is so emotional. Wait till you see this video. You actually see her hug you.
That's my girl.
She is.
Yes. Ooh, that's my girl.
You know how when you leave and you come back and she doesn't have anything to do with you for days? She's truly emotional.
Jesus told her that I had to go into work.
She just loves you and she loves on you.
That's my girl. Yes, it is.
Look at her.
See? Oh, what happened? Got an itch. Let me scratch it for you. Oh, that's a good girl. Oh, yeah. You mean rub that belly? You mean rub that belly? Put you asleep? Huh? We just a walking. She's like to sleep as a guardian.
Say good night.
Good night. Good night. Good night. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
She cocks her head like, what is going on?
There's a noise hole somewhere. I sense the noise. It's coming up. Oh, Daisy, what a Pokey. Isn't she sweet?
Let her go.
Come here. Yes, there you go. Get up here. There. Doggy kisses all around. Doggy kisses on the brown.
Jonathan says he hates the kisses, yet he loves the kisses.
I hate the kisses. I just want my girl.
He loves the kisses. Shut him up, Daisy. Do it, shut him up.
What is she doing?
Shutting you up.
Okay, kill it.